Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Guess what I got? Just guess. Well, you probably already know because of the title, but let me show you what it is. Let me show you how it looks. You feel me? But yeah, like, keep watching. You'll see how it is, what it is, if it's nice or not. Hell yeah, let's go. So this is what I got. Just these two hooks and these replacement thingies that go inside of this hook over here, just in case it breaks or whatever, wears out. You can always replace it, put this back on, and it'll be fine. So let's put it on and see how it looks. Hell yeah. So this is what I got, guys. These two clips or mounts, and they send two replacement clips to replace these parts over here that sit on the center console piece, just in case they wear out or whatnot. You can always replace them, which is pretty good. So let's put these on my center console and see how it looks, it fits. And I have an iPad right here that I'm gonna mount it on and show you guys that. So let's go. So I put one of them on, pushed it all the way. It's kind of hard to put it on, to be honest with you, but I don't know if this hook has to hook up at the bottom. I believe it does. So yeah, it does. So it hooks up at the bottom as well. So let me put the second one on, just to be this way. I also have the carbon fiber covers on my center console, so that doesn't help with the installation. Both of them are on. It's just the first one is pushed on a little better. Alright, here it is. So space it out just a good amount so it's even. And let's see, let's put my iPad in here. Alright, that's how it's supposed to be, I guess. See guys, that's how it's supposed to hold. Just I need to get these little clips over here to hook on at the bottom, and it should be good to go. I'm gonna adjust it to how I like and show you guys their final position. So this is the final position, guys. It's holding perfectly. It's not gonna go anywhere. So that's like the best position you can possibly put it at, in my opinion. It's pretty straight compared to my screen, which is tilted towards the driver's side. You can see the difference. This is straight, that one is tilted. Otherwise, it would be pretty much the same direction and the same position kind of for both screens. So I can easily use it right here, just click around. Yeah, this is amazing. So that's it for this install. It's pretty quick. I like these mounts. They're really nice, these clips, I mean, but it's kind of a mount. So guys, I got this mount from Freeyourtesla. I'm gonna leave a link to their site and their Instagram handle on the screen and down in the description box, so make sure to check them out. And yeah, this is actually a pretty good mount. Really nice to use, because I didn't know where to put my iPad. I kept holding it in the what's it called, the cups, the cup area. Just put it in there and it kept flying everywhere. But I think this is pretty durable. Like, it holds pretty nice, since it holds on top of the lid, and then at the bottom it also hooks up to the other panel as well. So it holds pretty nice. If I shake it, you see it doesn't move at all. So this is really nice. It holds well, and I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm gonna go work using this iPad. So thanks for watching, and thank you for the mount to Free Your Tesla. So yeah, I'm gonna go. See you guys in the next video. Peace.